everyone, and welcome to our family YouTube channel, Sevilla Trip. Because you clicked on this video, chances are ikaw mismo binabalak mo din maging commercial model. Tama? Is this one of your dreams or your goals to be able to see yourself on TV? Kung hindi naman ikaw, maybe you know someone. Whether ito yung anak mo.
Yes, happy!
Yeah!
Yes, sad.
Yeah.
Yes, angry.
Yes!
Yes, excited. We can jump, we can jump. And yes, surprise, gulat. And then, yes, confused. Yeah. And then, give me a smile. With the eyes.
So kung sino ka man doon, you are in the right channel. Because today, part 2, we will be discussing magkano nga ba ang kinikita ng isang commercial model per project? How long do you have to wait to get paid? At pag nakuha ka na, what is the next step after that? What is final casting, workshop, fitting, antigen swab test, and the shoot? All that and more on our part 2 ng balak mo bang maging commercial model?
Kids, here's a new treat. Let's make Dutch Mill fruitsicles. Take the goodness of Dutch Mill, pour, freeze, and enjoy a refreshing summer treat.
Dutch Mill yogurt drink, my goodness!
For our first question, how much can you earn from one project? It depends. Depende yan sa role na gagampanan mo, lalo na kung nagsa-start ka pa lang. I remember my talent fee back then was just 2,500 pesos. But hey, diba, you gotta start somewhere, right? Pero again, as I said, iba-iba yan. Depende sa role, depende sa duration ng shoot. Especially now during this new normal, you are sometimes required to do a 2-day shoot or a 3-day shoot. Sometimes a 3-day shoot is at 300,000. So if you divide it, that's just 100,000 pesos per day. Not bad. Less other fees. The reason why they're doing a couple of number of days of shoot at this moment is because we are not allowed to have very prolonged shoots. May mga LGUs na kasama sa mga shoots who are always there to monitor kung gano'n nakatagal yung duration ng shoot. So they're the ones reminding us, oops, it's almost 7 o'clock p.m., it's almost wrap-up time. Now, how long do you have to wait to get paid? Iba-iba din yan. Sometimes there are shoots that are pay after. From the word itself, pagkatapos mo mag-shoot, you will get paid right afterwards. Less the fees, of course. For a usual contract, you get paid after 6 months. So, yan yung usual na duration ng pag-aantay mo to get paid. So, you have to be ready for this. Do not expect to get paid right away after you've done a project. Minsan, tumatagal pa yan to a year. So those are just the expectations that we are preparing you for in case mag-start ka ng career mo sa commercial. Now, what is a product lockout? This one will protect you from any breach of contract. Kunwari, you do a commercial for processed food. You are not allowed to accept any projects from other competing brands that are similar or has relevance to the product that you just endorsed. What do contracts stipulate? So, the talent shall appear as a model, talent, or endorser. Pwede 10 seconds na digital ad lang siya. Iba-iba yan. Nakalagay din dito kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin bilang talent. You need to attend a 3 days workshop, fitting, antigen swab test, and PCR test, and 1-day TVC shoot. Kailangan alam na alam mo ang kontrata mo to protect yourself. Isa pa yon sa kailangan mo i-consider kung magka-commercial ka, kailangan you have to clear out your schedule kasi hindi talaga pwede na sasabihin mo, oh, I'm sorry, meron akong lakad ng ganitong araw when they already said that you have to block off these dates. And then, syempre, nakalagay din dito kung magkano yung talent fee mo. So, in that case, you just have to keep on reminding your agent kung meron na bang balita sa talent fee mo. What is agent's commission? rejection. 30% cut ng inyong agent. Sila yung nag-submit ng VTR mo, sila yung nag-follow up sa'yo, sila yung nag-text sa inyo, tumawag sa inyo kung ano yung mga dates. So, it requires also their time and their talents. Now, nag-submit ka ng VTR at nagustuhan ka, kailangan mo pang mag-go through ng final casting. Lumiliit na siya. Ito na yung pipiliin na lang kung sino na talaga yung pinaka-swak na swak ang acting, ang look, para doon sa i-endorse niya na produkto. Ang final casting is done via Zoom. Antayin mo na lang yung link for the Zoom meeting. Nandyan na ang director. Mamimit nyo na ang director. Nandyan na rin yung workshop ninyo. Rehearsing kung ano yung kailangan gawin sa mismong shoot. Kailangan kasi yon para pagdating sa shoot day, hindi kayo nangangapa kung anong gagawin doon. Kasi iba-iba ang mga director, diba? Sa workshop pa lang sasabihin nila na give us big expressions. Bahala na si direct kung gusto niya i-taper down yung acting mo. And then fitting. Ang buong production, meron din yung wardrobe department. Ano yung nararapat na look mo, sila ang bahala doon. We're done with final casting, workshop, fitting. Now we go to the antigen swab test. Nako guys, mabibilang ko naman kung ilang beses na ako nakapag-swab test in 2020. Are you ready for that? Antigen swab test, RT-PCR, nagawa ko na. So here are some clips of swab tests that I have done. Today I have antigen swab test, kaya I am making sure na may vitamin C ako. I put one whole lemon here and then plenty of ginger. Can you see? Ganyan. Yan. Para anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-anti. Mga ganyan. Tomorrow, I have my first project for 2021. Yes! Thank you, Lord.
Lalabanan, relax lang po. 1, 2, 3, 4. May tissue ba tayo sa sasakyan natin? Ayos lang. Hinala onte, relax, hinamalalim. Exhale. Okay na ha? Tissue ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Salamat. Ouchie. Every project na gagawin mo, hindi ka pwedeng tatapak sa set nang hindi ka tested. So, yan ang mga safety protocols ngayon. Kahit na lahat kayo tested negative, bawal kayong dikit-dikit doon. Ang mga pagkain doon na pinoprovide during the shoot, hindi na siya buffet, nakapack na siya ngayon. Kapag nasa set ka, doon mo lang pwedeng tanggalin yung mask mo. But other than that, you always have to put your mask on. So, madaming pinapatupad na safety protocols during the shoot. You don't have to worry about it. You yourself have to make sure that you observe them as well so that you protect the others around you. Okay, so pag nakuha ka na sa shoot, congratulations! Makikita mo na ang sarili mo sa TV.
Hanggang sa paglaki na po ang dadalhin. Bawat seleksyon sa sakit pa man ang dadalhin sa pagtanda niya.
Sa print ads, billboards, birth of mama over there on your right side. Malay mo sa pelikula. If you think kayang-kaya nyo, then I am happy for you. Sana nakatulong itong video na to. But wait, there's more! Meron pa tayong part 3. How to ready yourself for a shoot at how to handle rejection. Paano kung talagang pinaghirapan mo talaga ng todo-todo but you did not get the part? How would you react to it? What is the right attitude kung nakuha ka nga pero hindi mo gusto yung role? And also join me as we react to some of my old and new TVCs. So stick around for our part 3 ng gusto mo bang maging commercial model? Hi, what's your name?
Sevilla.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Alright, can you turn to your right? And then can you face the camera and smile? Can you turn to the other side? Can you turn to the left? And
Okay. And then?
And then smile. Can you give me the best smile you have? Not like that. Like, cute smile. Cuter. Like, just like this. Yeah. Alright.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel
For more Sevilla trips.
Yeah.